Hello again and welcome to lesson 2 of our basics writing series here at VCE English. Today we are learning one of the most important part of writing. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make completion. It starts with capital letter and end with period, question mark, and exclamation mark. For examples, I like coffee. This is a sentence because it tells us something clear and complete. Let's look at the 4 simple sentence patterns. SV, SSV, SVV, SSVV. Number 1. SV. Subject plus verb. This is the most basic sentence pattern. Examples: I run, they think, they eat. Number 2, SSV. Subject plus verb. 2 subjects doing the same action. Example: John and Mary dance. My brother and I play. The cat and the dog sleep. Number 3. SVV. Subject plus verb. 1 subject doing 2 actions. Examples: I read and write. They cook and clean. He jump and run. Number 4. SSVV. Subject plus verb plus verb. 2 subjects doing 2 actions. Examples: my sister and I sing and dance. The boy and girl laugh and shout. John and Peter eat and talk. Please remember there are 4 simple sentence patterns: SV, SSV, SVV, and SSVV. Great job today. Now you know how to make clear basic sentence in English. Remember, every sentence needs a subject and a verb. Keep it simple and clear. If this video helped you, please click like, hit subscribe to learn more every week. Turn on the bell so you never miss lesson. And don't forget to practice writing in the comments. Coming up in lesson 3, we'll learn how to use capital letter and punctuation in the right way. See you next time on VCE English.